Tired of poor mobile phone signal and dropped calls? When you're indoors, your mobile phone signal often struggles to pass through walls and other barriers, which can weaken the signal and affect your ability to make or receive calls. If you have mobile phone signal outside your office or home, but notice a significant drop indoors, a mobile phone repeater could be the solution you need. This device captures the signal from outside and transmits it indoors, resulting in better mobile phone coverage where you need it the most. Our professional installation service guarantees that your mobile phone repeater is set up correctly for optimal performance, so you can enjoy stronger mobile phone coverage, clearer calls, and faster data speeds. In Ireland, only devices that meet international standards are legal to use. At BBNet, we provide COMREG approved, fully compliant mobile phone repeaters, giving you an authorized, approved, and reliable solution. Want to learn more about our mobile phone repeaters? Visit bbnet.ie or call us at 061 512 000.